everyone, it's Laura Portales again, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction on Chapter 2. In Chapter 2, we talk a little bit about the history of human resource management and how it's changed over the years. I think the biggest change has been that human resource management is more of a strategic unit within the overall organization now than it used to be. It used to be called a personnel department, and really the main goals of the personnel department were to work with staffing and also compensation. But as we've seen over the years, through more technology and so forth, it's become much more important for human resources to become a strategic partner within the organization. So that's been a lot of the reason for the change, as you'll read about in this chapter. In the chapter, we'll also talk a little bit about the strategy and strategic direction of human resource management. Strategy we can define as an elaborate and systematic plan of action. So in our human resource management strategic plan, we want to make sure that the goals and the values of the organization are aligned within our strategic plan. We're also going to identify any issues that could negatively affect our strategic plan, such as a downturn in the economy or some external force that could negatively affect us. And then in our strategic plan, we're going to prioritize the most important things to our organization and put a plan of action into place to deal with any strategic human resource issues. And then finally, once we take all of that information to account, we'll write our strategic plan, which involves how we will look at compensating employees, how we will look at staffing the organization for the specific needs that we may have for the upcoming year and for the upcoming 5 years. One of the most important things you'll also read about in this chapter is the idea of measurable goals. So in human resource management, or really in any area of business, we want to make sure that our goals are measurable. So in other words, at the end of the goal, we can see whether we've made our goal or not. Because that's one of the challenges. If our goals are not measurable, it's hard at the end of the time period you've set forth to be able to say, yes, we met the goal, or no, we didn't. So this chapter is all about the strategic planning process within human resource management, and I hope you enjoy the chapter.